Hello friends, many of the times we saw people used to go any government website, but usually they find some different websites. So today we make a video on how to go any government website, how to approach, how to deal with this type of problems which coming in our life, how to use daily, we how to use these content which government release daily. So first we go on our Chrome and just simply first use to write google.com. You know that Google is only the patent in India, that everything is corrected on there. So here if we write anything like government programs like Manrega, here you saw many of the things coming there. Manrega, if you want to know how what government do in that particular program, what are their initiatives, so first you go on that particular website. Here it's manrega.pic.in. Here it shows that this particular things, you know, this particular NIC is coming from that. NIC is national media, sorry, NIC is made an public organization here with from the behalf of government. NIC make this website for government. So here I open this. That it's a government website developed by NIC, National Information Center. That NIC full form is there. So here all the things shown what government do, you know, that village resource person training. Here new shows SOP for streaming timely payment Manrega. So what I want to tell you that anything which government release there, so you go on directly through website. Like if you go for PIB, that is Press Information Bureau, here you can open it and now you see here the home page and daily update what government it's all about the central government. A daily update what government release, all the things released from the Press Information Bureau, that is released from the government of India. Here you seen that the chairman of the High Council of National Reconciliation of Afghanistan, Dr. Abdullah meeting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. What all the government doing for India, for external affairs, for every ministerial level, all the things are published for the people, for India, for other nations. All the things released from the Press Information Bureau. It's a government owned working profile organization which releases everything. So here you can search everything related to a government, for central government. You know, it's all about the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the New India Samachar, everything you can saw. The latest press release, or the latest news which you want to know about the government, what government do, what they did and what they want to do in their future. Everything they completed in Press Information Bureau. Here it is you can also download the app for PIB. Here it is, all things shown here. And daily update, you know that the last updated is like 11th of October 2020 at 4:20 p.m. that is 16:20, that is 4:20 p.m. So recently they updated everything. So be free for anything which you want to know, that something can harm you from this. No, nothing is there. Everything is on behalf of government. Everything can be checking from the government side. So on secretarial level everything can be checked it. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you again. Thank you very much.